Chipsies are back on the road again. Well, one of us anyway. I'm on my way out to Vancouver Island, doing a solo trip for work. It's May 26th, about 7 in the morning. I left Manitoba yesterday. Had a late start because I had some work to get finished, and somebody smashed out my one of my side windows. So had to get that sealed up so I could leave. Not sure what I'll do with that, but I'll figure it out. It's me and old Ubu. We're taking the old junky van. I got a couple of guys out on Vancouver Island in Nanaimo. Went out there a couple weeks ago to get started on a job, so they got my truck and camper. But we're slumming it for the next couple days in the old junky van. So until we get out there, then we'll be staying in the camper. But this is the start. Got to Moose Jaw last night. Had an okay sleep, but forgot my pillow, so neck's a little sore. But I'll keep you posted. Look at all these solar panels. This is just east of Brooks. The stretch of no man's land there. Look at that. Half of them are facing the wrong direction or broken. For the taxpayer dollars, hard at work. Well, I'm still on the road. Had to make a stop in Drumheller, Alberta. Man, I forgot how hot it gets here. Late into the night, the evening too. It's like 6 o'clock p.m. and it's still stinking hot. Ruby seems pretty comfortable. How you doing back there, Rube? Look at these mountains. Look at all the smoke. All those fires in Alberta. When you get to the foothills, you can usually see these mountains just crystal clear. But that's just a silhouette. They're just within arm's reach. This is one of my favorite places in the Rockies.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
last night around 10 o'clock. Stayed there at a little campground called Monarch. It's a provincial campground, nice little campground, no services or anything, but beautiful place, beautiful backdrop. And now we're on the Rogers Pass. I love these mountains. I also bought this little lens, camera lens set off Amazon. Just clips on your phone. So I want to try some of these out. They're kind of cool. I'm just filming these with my phone, so yeah, it's pretty neat. Comes with a little tripod, your zoom lens. I'm going to try taking pictures of these mountains here right away. See how well that works. And then you got a whole whack of these. There's like fisheye lenses, close-ups. What else is in there? Oh geez, a whole bunch, like a starburst one, wide angle. Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm gonna try these out, see how they work. So Ubi here and I got to Chilliwack last night, just fueling up at the old co-op. Cooked up some Timmy's, and then we're heading off to the ferry. I don't know what it is about Chilliwack that I really like. Maybe it's how the fields run right up to the mountains. How they advertise their golf courses on the side of a barn. You know, I think I could live here. Just look at it.